Dillai Sports Association Pathu Aklamalong Karbi Students Association Dillai Head Branch Pen Pater Piponsi Ingdeng Sirkep Pinsola Pen Ingdeng Trok Angdeng Soarlo Inter School Football League Championship Trophy Surhini Rain Kora Pop Harman Paikuni ni Paiket Hompen Nang Pangcheng Tanglo Karbi Students Association Dillai Head Branch Amai Phu Archok Singnar Pen Kang Pupon Amai Kachephem Pupon along MLA Mati Assam Legislative Assembly Deputy Speaker Dr. Numal Mumin Lapen Bokajan Education Board Chairman Sardili Be Chetong Dunsi Kapathu Ing Pupidunlo Dillai Sports Association Chungbang Harlong Bi Ingleng Dillai Youth Club Maipu Hundor Be Chunbang Brojen Hansi KSA BRC Dunmaipu Nobin Rongpi Dillai KSA Head Branch Chunbang Devan Singh Be Athletics Rumila Terangpi KLA Dillai Arupi Dunmaipu Bidya Singh Ingleng KARSA KSA Klembang Pu Klembang Pi Lothan Bang Lapen Pinangan Kithe Dingatum Chitong Dunlo Labangso Kangpu Kapathu Pinsomara Long Dillai High School Lapen St. Thomas English School Angbongsi Pathu Chipoponlo Bangso Kapathu Bamahut first half Kapathu Ahut Puputa 1-1 goal Chipi Ponsi Chedai Koilo Bonta second half Kapathu Ponahut along Dillai High School Atum Puthot 1 goal Thapthusi Dillai High School Atum 2-1 goal Pen St. Thomas English School Apan Paremsi Chepahai Ponlo Labangso Inter School Football League along Katukave Boys Team Atum Team Sirkep Lapen Girls Team Atum Team Phoan Chetong Ponlo Puthot Aduntu ni Phai player ni Kapathu Chephopon Jilake HDP English High School Lapen Dillai Government ME School Angbongsi Kapathu Chephopon Thupo Dillai Pen Bijoy Rongpi Karbing Long Life